What's going on up here?
I think it's the plague doctor.
What's going on here?
I think he has a flat tire.
What should we do?
Did you read the manual?
Look in the trunk for the jack. Start racing the car until the front wheel is almost off the ground. Raise the car until the wheel's off the ground.
So this is your disc, this is your caliper, and you want to check to make sure that if they're not bent.
Lower the jack and be sure not to go over 50 miles per hour. Get your tire fixed as soon as you can.
And that's how you change a tire, plague doctor.